Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, what's up? How do you do? Today in my video I will observe you and I will you to observe this area which is a capacious and spacious. Oh, what is that? Cow. Yeah. Who is he? Oh, the owner of cow. Maybe he wants to take his cow in his house. Oh wow, another cow. Oh no, what a dangerous man. Maybe it can attack me, so be careful and be cautious. Hello cow. Oh no, what a shame, what a shame. Fee. No, you can't do this. Hey, what's the eyes? Oh no, I became confused and befuddled and also perplexed what to do. My wits in is int. Oh no, don't be try to intimidate me. I am become fear. Oh no. What a color, man. The heterogeneous color of white and black. Oh, what a scene. Okay, bye. I want to go. Now, what's a... so guys, can you tell me what's the tiggy name is? By the way, my cough is hunting me everywhere because of the cold. My cold is attack me and my cough is highly dedicated in my mind. So I cannot but talk with you. I cannot help talking with you. Oh, that's what I want to say. So dear brothers and sisters, what I am trying to do is just advising you not to fear and go learning with what you have in your mind and your possession, and be quiet and be curious about your English learning. You have to have a profound and proper knowledge in your English, not a cursory and function knowledge. Not be fear, not be furious, not be pungent, not be become veil, and not to keep yourself away in learning English. So you can try with me. You say that to be honest, I am a beginner with you. So if I can, what's you don't know, you also can. If I will try, so you should try. Otherwise you can't be able to talk English and you not be able to go abroad. Wait a minute, here abroad, you notice that I am not using any kind of preposition before abroad, because abroad and home is such kind of word that's before there is no use any kind of preposition before abroad and home. Remember this. So if you don't know English, you will lag your job behind and cannot go abroad and complete your higher study if you want. So you will be frustrated and be patient and don't be aversion or reluctance to learn English and gain the knowledge of the English and dive into English in a profound knowledge and curious and priority to your English classes and English movies. Also you can see the English drama, English song. If you don't want, you also listen English podcast, English dialogue. Like me, I am used to listening. That's structure. Have you remember? I am used to listening this podcast, and I am used to going outside to learn English. So you must have to do this, and like me, you can go field and talk with cows, frogs, like me, and learn your English and to go high and um, be successful in your life. I wish all the best of you, and I have to go now, and will have driven my bike by the time when I go and or reach the home. And the weather is fine. Like kinds of once feel like 41 degrees Celsius. So 41 degrees Celsius cannot be a good day, right? But Bangladesh weather is like this, so I cannot do anything. I I have no hands against it. So our God prayed to the God to rain, to falling rain, so that the crops of the field will growing up, and the farmers smile, keep their sick. So guys, I have to go now, and pray for me so that I can make the video like you. And I know my video quality is not fine, but I don't want to do that because I believe that any video cannot make you perfect if you don't want in your mind and in your possession. So I want you to say that, and I want you to know that you have to go forward and move forward with your hand and with your possession where you live, or whenever you get time, or wherever you go. So I will close my video, and I'm going to end my video up. So there is also shop, and I'll come here to eat the tea with cigar, because I love cigar. Hey, so quiet, don't try to say this against my mom. Otherwise I will go outside and stay here, not in my house. So Tata, my bike is there, so I have to go, and I wish you all the best, guys. So bye bye, assalamu alaikum.